Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys a preview of my 2020 budget planner. It's from Erin Condren, of course. I've been using Erin Condren now for 4 years. I've been using them since 2016. It's the only planner that I like. Luckily, she didn't change it much where it's unusable for me. And so I left it pretty much blank so that you guys have an idea of what it looks like. I will be sure to link everything in the description box below, but I decided to do the Virgo theme because I am a Virgo. Most of you guys know that, but if you didn't, I'm a Virgo. And so I decided on the 2020 budget planner with the Virgo theme. And I have the 7x9. It's the standard one. You don't need the big one because it's big enough and it's pretty thick. And now let's take a look at what's inside. And so as I'm filming this, I'm pulling up the prices on the Erin Condren website because Erin Condren is kind of pricey. And so this is the Erin Condren Monthly Deluxe Planner, not to be confused with the Life Planner or anything. It's the Monthly Deluxe Planner. They are $40 just for the planner alone. It doesn't come with the stickers that I'm going to show at the end of the video. All right, so let's just get to it. So the beginning of the book looks like this. You can put your name, phone number, and all that. And then it has 2 quotes. I believe every month it's a different quote. And so on the next page, it's what I use to mark my sinking funds or things that I cash flow throughout the year. So if you're new to budgeting and you always feel like something's coming up, I would write it here because, Christmas and birthdays and stuff, you can plan ahead, as well as some stuff that you might pay annually, like my Amazon or my Hulu or my Netflix and stuff like that, or my P.O. box or renter's insurance. And so I use the Erin Condren little dotted stickers to mark important dates so that on the months that I plan ahead, I will put important dates. Like I'll show you in December, I have Bath and Body Works. There's a sale, so I mark it on my calendar, and then I go on to December and I make sure that I notate that there's a sale or there's a birthday or there's an event, so that these life things don't come up because I'm prepared for them. If that makes sense, I hope it makes sense. And then I believe this is for you to write your goals. I think there's 12 or more of these little squares and stuff. So I'll probably do my goals or something like that. Then there's a blank sheet right there. And then there's a quote to show that you're entering December. And then you're going to see dotted or bullet lines, birthdays, monthly goals. And so you have this whole space to prepare yourself for December before you actually go into the month of December. And then this is what I use to write all my bills and when they're due and the amounts, as well as when I get paid. I use those payday tab stickers. Those are from an Etsy shop. I will be showing all the stickers that I use at the end of this video. And so, yes, I mark when I get paid, and I also put when my bills are due and the estimated amounts, because this is what I'm going to use to do this. So these are the 2 blank pages that come after the month of December or whatever month that it is that you are doing. And with those, this is how I make my monthly budget videos and stuff. So that blank sheet of paper ends up looking like that because I do use stickers to decorate and write down my bills and make it pretty, because it motivates me to do my budget because it looks nice. And so I'll just keep showing you guys what it looks like, just because I feel like people don't show what's inside the pages. I think Erin Condren has finally gotten to the point where she shows what you'll be seeing before you buy it, because I hated that. I would have to rely on YouTube videos and they wouldn't show me everything that's on the book. So I'm showing you guys now. Yes, every single month is the same. This is not the neutral palette. They do have a neutral one where it is black and white. I ended up going for the one that's different colors just to give it a little bit of life. And so After that, this is a good thing. I feel like Erin Condren should have had this in the beginning where I have more room. But you know, she's always changing stuff. Like I wish I can help her. But anyway, this is the dates for 2021, which is basically what I do for 2020. I do it for 2021. I add anything for like sinking funds or dates or events that I want to plan for, so that when I get my 2021 planner, I just copy it over and have that prepped. Or if like I start paying annually for like my car insurance, I'm gonna add it there. And then these are all blank pages. I believe this one has 40 blank pages, and that's usually, those are the ones that I use to do my budget on the scratch sheet of paper, and then I transfer it over and make it pretty to what you see on my videos every month. And then it has a couple stickers and then a little tab for you to have your normal, like your stickers that you buy from Erin Condren or Etsy, so that they're all stored. I don't keep them there, but this is like a dry erase board, and so I'll show you an example. So I am writing my Instagram handle so that you guys can see, and then I'm gonna delete it or erase it with the dry erase board eraser, which sucks because look how dirty it got. I don't really use it, but you know, it's just an idea. If you wanted to use it, you could. And so that is the complete tour of the Erin Condren Monthly Deluxe Planner, or my 2020 budget planner. This is what I will be using starting December of this year till November of next year. And so now that you have a good look of it, I am going to talk about the different stickers that I use. So I'm not like a crazy sticker person. I mean, to some I am, but like to some of the planners that I see on YouTube, they use a lot of stickers. And so the majority of my stickers are either from Etsy or Erin Condren's website. And so, you know, that stickers from an Etsy shop, as well as the Payday stickers. It comes in different colors. You can actually do the colorful one, you can do the green one. And so that one is from Shooting Star Stickers. I'll link the Etsy shops below. And then those are from Erin Condren. It comes with a pack of 2. And they're like budget stickers or something like that. And then I also use the different colored little circles. Those are from Erin Condren, but there are Etsy shops that sell them. The reason why I like the Erin Condren one is because they're clear. And so you could still see the date when you put the sticker over the date. And so then these sticker sheets are from Erin Condren. It comes with 2. So, you know, technically if you were to buy the sticker sheets and do the same thing that I do, you would need 6 of them, because 6 times 2 is 12, and there's 12 months in the year. So you guys get the gist of it. And the monthly tabs are also from Erin Condren, and those are the ones that I use over the stickers so that you can see what month I am covering. And so I'm gonna pull out the different sticker sheets that I use. So here's an example, like those 2 I would use for like Valentine's Day or something. Those are some of the ones that I've already finished using, and we just have like that left. And so those sticker sheets end up becoming what I use on a monthly basis to make my budget look really pretty, which is like, I'll give you an example. There's July. I used the little monthly tab, I used a sticker, and then I used a little line as a divider. And those 2 stickers, like the little credit card tab, is from an Etsy shop, as well as the little cash clip sticker. That is also from an Etsy shop. You don't need to use it. It's just I like to decorate my planner at least a little bit to just keep me motivated to use it. And so again, the little credit card tab, I use it and I place it on the one debt that I am like focusing on, which right now is like the IRS. I'm almost done with that. So once I'm done with that, then I move to like the Discover Auto Loan. And so that cash clip sticker is from Libby & Co. She also sells the little dots, if in case you guys just wanted to do like a one-time shop or something like that. So that's from Libby & Co. And then I keep all my stickers in this like Erin Condren pouch. I don't know if she still has it. If she does, I'll link it. And so yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how I do my budget and decorate it. because I know I get a lot of questions of where I get my stickers from. And so now that I'm looking at it, it does seem like it's a lot of stickers, but it's not. It's not that expensive. I think the most I spend a year on like my stuff is like maybe like 50, 60 bucks. And I just feel like it's worth it because it's the only thing that works for me. And again, like, I'm gonna just put everything away so you could see how this all goes into the little pouch. Easy peasy, very organized, everything stays intact, nothing gets bent. And thank you so much for liking this video if you do, and subscribing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the figure maker. That is where I'm mainly active. And you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.